Welcome to my channel with another interesting video, and today I am going to tell you about most awaited Apple Intelligence in iPhones. Till now, 4 beta version and a public version is launched, but no Apple Intelligence is shown in these updates. But in the recent iOS 18 Beta 4 update, there is a glimpse of Apple Intelligence in Siri section of settings, so you can hope Apple Intelligence will come in iOS 18 Beta 5 update, in iOS 18 Beta 4 when you go to settings and then go to Siri. While opening it, Apple Intelligence appear for milliseconds here. You can also see at this area when I am opening Siri, Apple Intelligence show here and then disappears. It means it is most likely that Apple Intelligence is coming to iPhones in iOS 18 Beta 5. According to Joe Rossignol, Apple Intelligence is still not available yet after 4 beta updates of iOS 18, leading some to wonder that features have been delayed. However, we have confirmed that Apple still have plans to add some of the new Apple Intelligence features to an upcoming beta this summer. In other words, developers will test the first Apple Intelligence featured before iOS 18 update, and it is widely released to the public. Apple Intelligence will be available to devices having M1 chip or newer, and it is also usable on iPhone 15 and 16 series. Apple Intelligence have capabilities like text summarization, priorities notification, add emails, generating custom emojis and images. It will Siri with improved and enhanced language to control things better. So that's it for the video. I hope you guys like it. Do subscribe for more.